Okay, so you want to know how to fix outdated client issue on Minecraft? I have the solution for you. So the first thing you have to do is go to the Microsoft Store. Remember, it is always in the bar down here, or you can search for it like this, Microsoft Store, and you have to log into a Microsoft account. Then you have to go to the search bar and you have to look for Minecraft here. Once you're here, you have to go to Minecraft Launcher and check that it's updated. If it's not updated, you have to install the update. And once you do that, you could find that Minecraft is no longer updated. If you are not using a Minecraft official launcher, you have to go to the launcher that you are using, the website, and then you have to press on download latest version, and in this way you will be able to play Minecraft without an outdated client. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, share, comment. I'll see you in a next easy way video. Goodbye.